Precision drive system, the core engine of future industry in the era of intelligent manufacturing. Precision and efficiency are the key competitiveness of manufacturing our linear module product matrix with innovative technologies. Redefines the industrial transmission standard and provides customized solutions for different scenarios. High-precision module for CNC machines equipped with imported high-precision ball screws and guide rail systems. With preloading adjustment function, it effectively eliminates backlash and meets the stringent stability requirements of precision machining. High-speed module for automation systems, heavy-duty industrial module adopting hardened steel guide rails and double-row ball design. IP65 protection level and lubrication management system ensure long-term stable operation in heavy industrial environments. Widely used in construction machinery, metallurgical equipment, etc. XYZ multi-axis linkage module supports free combination of 3 axes. Maximum stroke up to 5 meters. Modular design for rapid integration, built-in grating scale real-time feedback system, combined with multi-axis linkage control algorithm, realizes micron-level processing of complex trajectories, assisting high-end manufacturing fields such as aerospace and medical devices. Product advantages: full series certified by ISO. Compatible with mainstream CNC systems, providing secondary development interfaces, optional dust covers, cooling systems, and other accessories to meet special working conditions. Why choose us? From precision part processing to smart factory construction, we are not only a transmission component supplier, but also your intelligent manufacturing partner. By optimizing mechanical design, reducing maintenance costs, and improving equipment utilization rates, we help customers achieve revolutionary breakthroughs in production efficiency. Contact us now for a customized selection plan and sample testing opportunity.